Hey people, this is Market Maker. In this video, I will tell you the reality of pullbacks and how to identify a valid pullback. This video will be very interesting and important as well because after you learn to identify valid pullbacks, you will be able to figure out valid order blocks, inducement, structures and entries. So let's dive into the video. Okay, so I will show you examples of pullback in a bullish and bearish trend as well. What is a valid pullback? When market is in an impulsive move or in a trend and gives an opposite side movement for small time to take liquidity or to fill any inefficiency is called a pullback. But the main catch is it has to take the previous candle's high in a bearish trend and previous candle's low in a bullish trend. A pullback can be in any shape or size. It can be a significant move or just a candle move. It doesn't matter. You can see this is a bearish trend. Market has to take its previous high to be considered as a pullback, right? So this is a valid pullback. In a bullish trend, I have created this diagram a little bit different to give you a wider example of possibilities. So in this bullish trend, your valid pullback will be over here. This is a trap. People might consider this as a pullback, but this will be a trap and your previous low is here. When market take out this, then this is your valid pullback and market continue the trend. So I have created a bearish trend example for you to make you understand about pullbacks. You can see market is in a bearish trend and market gave a sudden push up. So when market takes the previous candle high, as I told you before, market has here taken the previous candle high. So we can consider this as a valid pullback when the candles high and low both are not protected. This pullback candle has taken both the highs and lows of this previous candle, right? So in a bearish trend, if the pullback candle takes the previous candle's low and high both, that's better, but if it takes the previous candle's high, it's considered as a pullback. After that, you can see market gave a impulsive move upside and gave an impulsive move downside. So where would you consider the structure as pullback? As I showed you in the line diagram before, your pullback will be over here, right? This will be considered as your pullback. You can see the last bearish candle, its wick has not been taken out with this move. So this will be your trap. Some people will mark this move as your pullback and then sell from here, right? So this will not be your pullback. Your real pullback is over here because this candle's high is taken by this move. So you can consider this as your order block for your further trades. And if you want to learn about order blocks, I have posted a video previously. You can go check it out and learn about order blocks. It's very powerful and useful for trading smart money concept, and it is a major chapter for smart money concept. After taking the previous bearish candles high, market gave a sudden push downside. So this is our new pullback over here. Guys, I will also be teaching you about psychology of the trader so you can be saved from being the liquidity and trade with high probability and precision. I will give you an addition in this chart itself. When this candle was verified as pullback over here, then this can also be considered as order block. Aggressive smart money traders were introduced over here in this order block and they started selling over here. And what retail traders will do, they will be drawing Fibonacci levels over here and selling from the golden zone, right? So there were two aggressive sellers, the smart money aggressive sellers and the retail sellers were introduced over here, and market gave them a little bit reaction, gave them hope, and then pushed direct to the upside to confirm the validity of the pullback in our case and to hunt their stop loss in their case. So trading smart money concept is very useful for you to be safe from being the liquidity and trading smartly. Every movement that market makes has some logic behind it. Each and every candle that forms has a reason behind it, and it's not any unuseful movement. So market took all the stop losses of the aggressive smart money sellers over here and all the retail sellers that made a Fibonacci level over here in lower time frame and started selling in the golden ratio 50 and 60% ratio. They started selling over here. Their stop loss, all their stop losses would be above the area of 61 zone. So market took all their stop losses over here and then gave a push downside. So we would consider this as our inducement. I will tell you this in upcoming videos. I will teach you about this. So this will be considered as our inducement. So when market takes the inducement, then we consider selling in a bearish trend. First of all, pullbacks are very important chapter to cover in order to learn other stuffs. So I am teaching you about pullback in the very beginning. So let's continue with this video. Let me show you an example in a bullish trend. So guys, this is the example in a bullish trend. So where is our pullback confirmed? This is our pullback confirmed, the first pullback, because it has taken the previous candle's low. In a bullish trend, when the candle's wick or the impulsive move takes the previous low or the previous candle's low, is considered as pullback. So our trend is something like this: upside, this pullback, and this is a single move upside. This is our pullback and then push up. This is not considered as a pullback. Why? Our previous candle's low is over here, which has not been taken with this low. So probably this is a trap created by the smart money to induce the buyers. So you can see this move taken out this candle's low. So this will be considered as a valid pullback, and then the price moves upward. As I showed you in a bearish trend itself, there are many smart money concept traders introduced over here and Fibonacci traders, retail traders introduced over here to buy. Market give a little bit reaction, hunt down their stop loss over here, and then market push upside. So here too we will consider as inducement. This is our inducement over here in a bullish trend. So this can be considered as order block. Overall is a order block, but we will not consider this as a order block. Our order block will be this wick over here. This wick will be considered as our POI. So this wick will be considered as our POI, and we will be buying in this wick. So market will give you this kind of patterns each and every time in a smaller time frame and in higher time frames as well. So this will be considered as our inducement, and this will be considered as our POI, where we will buy and putting the targets above. Let's see some examples in the charts now. So guys, this is the GBP chart in 1 minute time frame. You can see the pullbacks over here. So market is in a bullish trend currently. Let's identify pullbacks. So you can see this was the last bullish candle. Market took its low. So this is the confirmed pullback, right? After that, market gave an impulsive move to the upside. Then this was our last bullish candle over here. So its low is broken over here. So this will be considered our pullback, right? So then market again pushed to the upside. So here the high is protected. High has not been taken yet by this moves. So this creates the liquidity. This is equal highs considerably. So this will create liquidity above these zones, which market will come and take and give reaction, where we can possibly enter some trades. Videos on identifying liquidity areas will be next. So after this, you can see market took the liquidity over here. So this would have been a good entry for a small sell. So let's identify the next pullback. Market gave a trend to the upside. So it took the low over here. So this will be considered as a pullback. So the deeper the pullback, the healthier the trend will continue to the upside, right? So if you see, the market gave a healthy push to the upside and a good pullback to the downside. right? So when market takes previous low or previous candle's low, it's considered as pullback. So if I have to show you some examples of a candle's pullback, the valid pullbacks, the smaller pullbacks, so you can see over here too, this candle was the high, this took all the high, so this candle's low was broken by this move, so this will also be considered as a valid pullback. So guys, market tends to repeat its move, and if you learn smart money concepts, you will have an easy understanding about the market and the psychology of the retail traders, so you can trade with accuracy and make less losses. So guys, see you in the next video. I hope you understood about pullbacks. You can join our free Telegram channels for weekly sessions, trading quiz, and market updates. Thank you.